first of all, thanks so much for spending a couple of minutes with me.
That's all right.
So what I guess I'd really love to do is just, first of all, tell a little bit about Biologi's story. I mean, obviously you guys are based in Byron Bay, and I think you've got a really exciting story that's been born out of a frustration that is all too common. And we're obviously so pumped to be working together with you, growing the business. So could you just give a quick overview of Biologi and I guess your role in the business?
Yeah, awesome. So Biologi is 2.5 years old, and we basically wanted to create skincare that actually works. So I'm sure most women will have a bathroom cupboard full of products that they've bought that didn't really do anything, so then they go and buy another product. So it's kind of like this search. It's almost like the holy grail of skincare, and we've been able to do that. And so with a combination of the product being exceptional in combination with our customer service, and then the world being able to find us with the help of Missing Links. Missing Links has definitely been integral to the growth of Biologi. In the last 2.5 years, we've created this $1 skincare brand. So it's really awesome.
Yeah, for sure. And obviously, you know, my wife Lisa is a big advocate.
Yeah,
she's definitely one of those people, and it wasn't just one drawer, it's like 3 drawers, and even things that you've had so long that they go out of date. But you know, Biologi is the one consistent thing that I've seen in her drawer, you know, since we met, you know, 10 years ago or so. And you know, the feedback that she gets, and obviously that we see from your product, is a testament to what an amazing business you guys have, what an amazing team and product you guys have. So yeah, really appreciate you sharing that. And I guess touching on how our kind of relationship started, it was very much, you've been having great success with organic Instagram, you know, with the influencers and the community that you've been building there. But it was really, I think, the opportunity in the paid advertising through Facebook and Instagram that certainly we saw the greatest opportunity for. And so could you, I guess, touch on I guess the results of us kind of jumping into the paid ads?
Yeah, so I got the team to pull some stats for me because that's definitely not my forte. So I know you work closely with our team that takes care of that, but I really wanted to understand a little bit more about that. And they were just talking about how they'd highly recommend you guys, and it's just been so easy to work with you, but also the results that we've seen have just been exceptional. So the girls were talking about how we've had such a huge increase. We've had 154% increase in visitors to the site. And we've 107% increase in revenue as well. So obviously those are stats that you know you guys work with and stuff like that, whereas I'm on the front end of the business.
Yeah, we love all that stuff. Yeah.
I'm seeing the customers with their amazing results, and of course the amount of sales and stuff that are coming in. But in terms of the stats, that's something that, you know, you guys have worked so closely with our team on, and they're all super impressed with how you guys have helped us to contribute to our success. So
awesome. Well, I think it's, you know, when two good things come together, you know, it's always a beautiful thing. So look, I won't take up any more of your time. I'm super grateful to be a part of this journey, and really appreciate you taking the time out to share a bit about your story and how we've helped.
No worries. Thanks for having me. Thanks, Perry.
Thank you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.